If you have just only 50,000 naira and you are looking for a business you can start in this 2026, this video is for you guys. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the 8 business ideas you can start in this 2026 with just 50,000 naira, and you will make a lot of profit at the end of the business, at the end of the day. So let's get started, guys. In the number 1 on my list is perfume oil business. Guys, you all are sleeping on this business. The reason this business is so profitable and you can use 50,000 naira to start it is this: if you buy your fragrance oil in bulk, that is in bigger quality, then you will repackage it in all those smaller bottles and sell it in high and amazing price and make your profit times by 10, guys. So that is it. You can use 50,000 naira and start this oil perfume business, and you will make a lot of sales every day by day. You just have to know the way to strategize your business, the way to promote it, and you will make a lot of sales at the end of the day. So make sure to stay and watch this video to the end, because the number 8 on my list is going to make you the daily profitable amount for you. If you want a business that will be paying you daily, stay tuned and watch till the end to see the number 8 on my list. So the number 2 you can do with 50,000 naira is zobo business, because we are in hot weather and people want a very chill drink they can use to step down to get their energy back. So if you know how to do zobo business, or if you know how to, you can combine both zobo, quinoa and tiger nut drink. All these 3 drink is so amazing and people are buying it every day by day. If you know how to make it very well and healthy, people are going to patronize you. A lot of them, both your neighbors and other places. And you know the good thing about this is that if you know how to make it very well, and also if you can promote it both your online on your WhatsApp and TikTok, and people begin to patronize you from online, you can get a customer that is going to buy in a bigger way. So that is it. You can start this zobo business with 50,000 naira and make a lot of profit, a lot of gain from it. So that is the number 2 on my list. Number 3 is what? Bonnet, that is face cap business. You can do that also with 50,000 naira. You know, if you want to sleep at night, you need to cover your head. You need to pack your braid or your weave on. You need to pack it very well before you sleep, so that it will not scatter or you will not even spoil your hair. For our natural girl hair that are growing their hair and know what I'm talking about. So this hair bonnet business is moving so well. It's every day people are buying it. If you design it in a beautiful way, people are going to patronize you both online and offline. So that is it. The number, I think it's number 3 we are into. We have already talked about perfume business, zobo, and hair bonnet, that is face cap. So the number 4 on my list is home cleaning business. You can start it with 50,000 naira also. You just need to get all the necessary items you'll be using for the cleaning and other stuffs, and you are good to go. And you let people know that, see, oh, this is what I'm doing. They will also call you to come and clean for them. That one is also good. If you have only 50,000 naira and you are looking for a business you can do that will fetch you a lot of profit, that will be making you daily profit every day by day, that home cleaning business is for you guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, share this video, like and comment for more. So the number 5 on my list is baking business. Guys, if you know how to cook very well, or you are a caterer, you can use 50,000 naira and start it in a smaller way. You just have to start in a smaller way. Like as time goes on, then you can do it in a bigger way. You can be doing small chops. You can also be doing chin chin, your buns, and many things that is under that baking business, and the thing is moving so well. People are eating every day by day. You cannot go a day without eating. That is the number one good thing about this baking business. You can do food under it. You can also sell buns, chin, or many things on that baking business. And people can also call you for events. You will cook for them, or you make small chops for their birthday and different rich things. So that is it. Number 6 on my list is recharge card business, guys, and data reselling. So you can do you can sell recharge card. You can also do sell data for people, and you know that we are subscribing every day. People are watching content online every day by day, and they are using data to do so. So you can see that this thing is a lucrative business that people are patronizing every day by day. You just have to let them know, see, I can, if you send money to me, I can help you and recharge and sub. That is it. So guys, the number 7 on my list is bead making business. If you know how to use bead and make both jewelry, earrings, even slippers, you can use bead to design slippers. People love fancy stuff. Then you can also use 50,000 naira to start this business, and it's going to move so well. And if you want to do this kind of business, I will advise you, I will tell you to promote it on your social media platform. From there, you're going to get a lot of customers from there, a lot of people that are going to buy what you are selling. So that is the number 7 on my list. I don't want to take much of your time today. So the number 7 on my list that is making profit daily is liquid soap business. That is detergent. You cannot tell me that you will not buy detergent to you can use it, because the reason you need to buy detergent is you will use it to wash your plate, to wash your dirty clothes, to mop your house, to clean your house, and to take care of everything at your kitchen. So you need detergent, you need liquid soap every day by day. If you can start, if you know how to do this business, if you know how to do liquid soap, you are good to go. From there you can make liquid soap, the watery own. You can also make a soap on it and sell to your customers, your neighbors, people at the store, and they will patronize you. This business is something that you'll be getting money from it every day by day. It's not something that if you start today, before you get customer, it will take everlasting for you to get customer. All these business I have mentioned for you today is something that if you start it, you will know very well that you are going to make sales. You are going to sell. You are going to get customer from it, both your online. If you can promote it on your platform, that one is sure you will get customers from there. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you very much once again for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing money making tips and YouTube channel growth and many things. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.